Hi there, this is Jim from One Pot Dish. Welcome to our rendang recipe. Rendang can be a little bit daunting because there's just so many ingredients. But if you focus on getting the paste right, and that's what we're going to show you first, a big percentage of those ingredients actually go into the paste. And if you get the paste right, that drives the whole flavor for the rendang. And a lot of the other ingredients like star anise, cloves, they just kind of sit on the top when we cook it. So again, let's focus on getting our paste right. We hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Okay, now we're going to start preparing our paste ingredients. Roughly dice them, except for this one, which is the galliangle. It is a little bit fibrous in nature, so we cut it a little bit smaller so that when you blend, you actually don't get the texture, you just get the taste. Now, on our website, we're going to be updating it so that we give you some alternatives so that you don't have to actually get absolutely everything, or maybe you can't find it at your local shop. For example, candle nuts you can replace with macadamia nuts. So pop over to our website if you don't have absolutely everything that's listed here, and you can still make a really amazing rendang. Now we've deglazed the pot, and that's important so we don't get the burn warning. Now we're going to put the meat and the paste back into the Instant Pot and cook the meat until it is tender. Now, as we assemble this, we're going to put back in the aromatics, which will be the star anise, the cloves and the cardamon pods and the lemongrass and all of those. You'll see those go in a minute. But what is really important is just layer the coconut cream on the top. Don't mix it. And the reason for that is it's very thick, and if it gets to the bottom, you'll probably get a burn warning from the Instant Pot. So if you keep it on the top, you'll still get all the nice flavor from cooking the rendang, but you won't get the burn warning. oh boy, doesn't that look good. Now what we're going to do now is reduce the rendang down so that the gravy is not quite as runny. Now, if you like runny rendang with really intense flavor, leave it as it is and mix it all in with the rice. I actually love it that way. But a real traditional rendang, as you'll see later in the movie, is a very, very thick paste around the outside of the meat, which also is amazing as well. The beauty of doing it in the Instant Pot, you've got a choice. So we hope you enjoyed this video. We'd really appreciate a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of the video.